Mr. Solo, what you got? What you got, man? What you got? What you got? What you got?
We're at Rock Creek Park and we're ready to take a hike.
Oh, the sun is overhead, you see?
Yeah.
We have shiny foreheads.
Shiny.
Shiny.
Solo from the Hadi and Solo channel, and right now we're in Rock Creek Park and I'm hiking with my mom, my dad, and me. And so we're gonna explore a different trail this time, not the trail that we went last time. All right, everyone. Squirrels, birds, and other animals like deers and foxes that are in this area in Rock Creek. Alright, we'll see you later. Close that door. Welcome to Rock Creek Park Nature Center. This is Northwest Glover Road. Area, there's horse stables over there for the rangers if they need to get their horse. And let's continue walking to our adventure back home. All right, let's go. Right now we're at Rock Creek Park and we're enjoying a nice hike today.
Where's the Hadi?
He's in Kenya right now.
Who are you with?
With my dad, Mommy, and me.
Get out of here. All right.
You see how clear this water is? This is, if you don't pollute the ocean or any body of water, this is how it's gonna look like. Look how clear it is. You could even see like under the water too. And also, someone crashed here probably because this thing is bent. Let's see how deep this water is. Oh, when it makes that blue sound, that is a sign. It is deep. So you should be careful if this happens. You better be careful, all right? Whoever's listening to this video. You got that? Sad face over here. Look, this tree probably still gonna fall down. Probably in many years or something.
Let's go.
Let's go. Look how clear the water is. No pollution, no dirtiness, no nothing to make it dirty. Look at that. Well, it's not really that clear, but it's sort of clear. If you're not in a polluted environment, this is how it will look like. Clear water, no pollution, no dirty or unclean water. This is how it will look like. And the last time we were here, the water was up there, but right now it's down here. Last time when we came here, this thing was like all the way up as tall as that. But now it is shrinking, probably because it's being dried out because of the water now. I'm with my mom and dad at Rock Creek Park, and as you have known, Ahadi is not with us because he's in Kenya. But soon, we're gonna make a video in Kenya, and we're soon gonna visit him. All right, everyone, let's continue our adventure back home. Bye bye. Yebo, Africa unite! This river leads to the Potomac River, then to the Atlantic Ocean. Let's continue on our adventure. Right now, we have been walking for 3 hours. It's probably 3 or 4 right now. And guess what? Mommy went venturing up. And now she's probably at the car right now. And she left us here. Now we have to walk back to the car. And she's probably gonna be there. Let's continue on.
What is that?
This is a 3-leaf clover. But I think the 4-leaf clovers are the rare ones, not the 3-leaves, right? I'm pretty sure.
I think so.
Yeah, because I saw more 3-leaves here.
Africa has more species than here.
Yeah. But not a 3-leaf.
Feeling you.
Right now I'm being carried by daddy. Being carried.
Don't go up the hill.
I walk. Who's water? Yes, daddy carried me all this way.
Okay, ready?
We have finished our adventure in Rock Creek Park, and we walked about 6 miles or more. And right now, we're heading to a chicken place to eat dinner. And as we can see, Mommy's in the car. So we were right all along. All right, see you next time on our Ahadi Solo channel, and we'll catch up later. Bye-bye, everyone. All right.